Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm sharing realistic and legitimate ways to make money online from home in 2026. With so many scams out there promising quick riches, I want to focus on genuine methods that actually work, but only with consistent effort and skill building. Nothing happens overnight, so be patient and put in the work. Let's dive into the top ways. First method, freelancing. Join platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Offer skills such as writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, programming, or virtual assistance. If you're a beginner, start with easier gigs like data entry, transcription, or social media management. In 2026, AI is changing things, but human creativity and specialized skills are in higher demand than ever. Many freelancers earn $500 to $5,000 plus per month, depending on experience and hours worked. Start with 2 to 4 hours a day to build your profile and reviews. Second, online tutoring and teaching. Platforms like Reply, italki, VidKid, or tutor.com let you teach subjects you're good at, such as English, math, science, music, or coding. Teaching English to non-native speakers is especially popular and often pays $15 to $30 per hour. Some sites don't require a degree, just strong communication skills and a demo lesson. Flexible scheduling makes this perfect for stay-at-home parents or side hustlers. Third, content creation. Build an audience on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or a blog or podcast. Pick a niche you're passionate about: gaming, beauty, tech reviews, fitness, cooking, or personal finance. Post consistently, engage with viewers, and monetize through ad revenue, brand sponsorships, merchandise, or fan donations. In 2026, short-form video and AI-assisted editing tools make it easier to produce high-quality content quickly. Top creators earn six figures, but most see real income after 6 to 12 months of regular posting. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Promote products you love and use through your website, YouTube videos, social media, or email list. When someone buys via your link, you get a commission, often 5 to 30%. Success comes from honest recommendations and building trust. Focus on solving problems for your audience. Fifth, selling digital or physical products online. Create and sell digital downloads like printables, ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or graphics on Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. For physical items, use print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring integrated with Shopify. Design t-shirts, mugs, posters, and they handle printing and shipping.
No upfront inventory needed, or simply sell used items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for quick cash. Bonus method: microtasks and paid surveys. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Swagbucks, or Prolific offer small tasks such as data labeling, surveys, app testing, or CAPTCHA solving. These won't make you rich, maybe $100 to $300 month extra, but they're easy entry points with no skills required and payout via PayPal. Crucial advice: always avoid scams. Never pay upfront fees to join a job, or invest in guaranteed schemes like crypto pumps or multi-level marketing hype. Research platforms on Reddit, Trustpilot, or BBB. Build skills for free on YouTube, Khan Academy, or FreeCodeCamp. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Comment below, which method will you try first? Next video, I'll cover beginner freelancing strategies. Thanks for watching. See you soon.